Welcome to David Automobile YouTube channel. The 2025 Bugatti Divo is a hypercar that redefines the boundaries of automotive excellence. With its exceptional performance, striking design, and limited production, the Divo is a true automotive masterpiece. The Divo's exterior is a work of art, featuring aggressive aerodynamic elements, sculpted lines, and a bold stance. Its design is inspired by the Bugatti Vision Gran Turismo concept car, showcasing the brand's commitment to innovation and cutting-edge aesthetics. The Divo's interior is equally impressive, with luxurious materials, meticulous craftsmanship, and a focus on driver comfort. The cabin is adorned with premium leather, carbon fiber accents, and advanced technology features. Under the hood, the Divo boasts a powerful 8.0-liter W16 quad-turbocharged engine that delivers an astonishing 1,500 horsepower and 1,180 lb-ft of torque. This engine propels the Divo from 0 to 60 mph in an astonishing 2.4 seconds, with a top speed of over 236 mph. The Divo is packed with advanced technology, including a state-of-the-art infotainment system, driver assistance features, and a sophisticated suspension system that ensures a thrilling and comfortable ride. The 2025 Bugatti Divo is a limited edition hypercar with a production run of just 40 units. It is expected to be available for purchase in late 2024 or early 2025. Pricing for the Divo is expected to be extremely high, reflecting its exclusivity and exceptional performance. The 2025 Bugatti Divo is a hypercar that represents the pinnacle of automotive engineering and design. With its stunning appearance, mind-blowing performance, and luxurious interior, the Divo is a true automotive masterpiece. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exciting car content and updates on the latest automotive news.